We know that a problem exists with the in-office inventory stocking and ordering system. Firstly, the system is conducted via email. Employees can all send emails to an inbox that is lightly monitored by inventory staff. Requests are made for supplies and these get processed, but the inventory is just set aside with a tag somewhere. When supplies of inventory run low, the inventory staff need to make a request for supply replenishment. The inventory manager handles these reorders and any out-of-stock notices sent to the requesting employee, but sometimes finding products is slow and painful. Great improvements can be made simply by implementing a connected database with an interface that is accessible by the employees. We already have a back-end access system that can handle this, but it needs a major overhaul. Converting it to a new system will save time during ordering and back and forth communication. It's also going to save money after we've determined what products we probably shouldn't even be stocking anymore. Picking efficiency will increase, and we can reduce the hours dedicated to fulfillment. We need current data on our inventory and ordering frequency, and giving employees a visual history of previous orders and current supply amounts gives them quick answers to the most common questions that we get. This will enable everyone to have more insight into the fulfillment process without us having to reply to them directly. We are going to use a visual ordering system, automatic emails for confirmation and status updates, set inventory triggers to alert us when stock is low, scanning in of products to minimize mix-ups, and employees will be notified that their order is ready and of any missing items. When orders are retrieved, the employee will scan in their ID card as proof of authorization and their acceptance of supplies. Inventory SKUs and their locations are going to be loaded in at the time the incoming stock arrives. This will immediately update what you can choose and how much of it is available. The ordering interface for the system will require a login from the employee, first of all, to ensure that they have authorization to even make requests. Anything that isn't in stock will be dimmed and discontinued products get removed from the list. Once the order of requested supplies is submitted, the system will automatically send the order on for fulfillment. The database will update supply counts by adjusting them to reflect new totals after every request. This avoids collisions from simultaneous orders. Picking staff will be using handheld terminals and scanners that will be updated when a new order arrives. Their interface will reflect the locations of each product and in an order to speed up picking efficiency. Pickers will scan each product for each order and place the collected items together on a shelf for pickup. Any missing items will be identified and set as backordered. The terminal will send a report of a completed picking back to the system to confirm and validate the inventory stock. This will also trigger an alert sent to the employee that their order is finished and ready for pickup and on a specified shelf. Missing products, incorrect amounts of the inventory will be reviewed by the inventory manager. We're going to be using Java because of the ease of conversion of code from Access. Multiple people will see and debug our software during development. The interface will be extensively user tested and will be intended to accommodate everyone, but we are targeting primarily Windows PCs in our offices. Our user tests will help us with the layout and user interaction points to allow for the easiest and best experience for our customers. We'll be tracking around a couple hundred SKUs, and the system will be kept up to date with new products as they are added and as old, discontinued products are removed. Inventory stocks will be periodically audited to ensure the correct inventory counts and to check our low stock triggers. Locations of ordered stock are delivered to the pickers in a way to minimize their time spent picking, but new layouts for picking order will be reviewed as the stock changes and as popular products can be moved around to allow for quick completion of common small orders.